Very good morning to all of you. So we have finished the revision of chapter number 9, rational numbers. One case study we have discussed and some MCQs we have discussed. So yesterday I have put the same in the group. Hope you all have solved it. And moreover, 3 MCQs were left. I'm not going to take them right now. You can do it yourself. If any problem is there, you can ask, right? I hope that you have solved, all of you. I can see Goransh, Ipsa, Webhav. Done with the MCQs? Right. So as you can see on the board, today we are going to start with the revision of chapter number 13, that is exponent and powers. Right? Chaliye. So we will take some question from the book and some extra question I would like to take side by side. So first part that we were doing about exponent and powers, that how to detect base and you can say power in the given expression. How to detect the base and the power of the given, just a minute. Suppose question number first I'm doing. Suppose we are having a number 21 raised to power minus 1. And the question is, write its base and exponent. Write its base and exponent. So let us do the solution. Base is, what is base? In this question, what is base? 21 is the base. And what is exponent? Exponent is equal to minus 1. You know, when we are having an expression like this in which some power is there on the head and some number is there, how we write the base and exponent? The number who is sitting at the bottom will be base, and you know power is always at the head. So अगर आपने किसी को तिलक लगाना हो तो कहाँ लगाते? क्राउन रखना हो तो उसके पैरों में रखते हैं क्राउन. Where the crown will be situated? Head पे, ठीक है? Power is always at the head. So exponent को आप power भी बोल सकते हो. So base is 21 and exponent is minus 1. Is it okay, all of you? So one homework you note down. Homework number 1. The number is minus 19 raised to power minus 2. Write the base and exponent. The number is minus 19 raised to power minus 2. Write its base and exponent. Right? This you will do as homework. Right? Chaliye. Next concept that we did, I'm just taking the concept. If a number is multiplied 2 times, concept is how to write in exponential form. How to write in exponential form. Exponential form में हम कैसे लिखते हैं? You know, we were having the number, say I am giving the example, 2 into 2, we write it 2 to the power 2. How many times 2 is repeating in this expression? 2 times. I am taking it to be 2 to the power 2. Suppose the question is 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 3 raised to power 3. Exponent ki form mein we take it to be like this. Then third is a into a up to n times. How you will write it? How you will write it? A into and a raised to power? Shabash. This is equal to a raised to power n. This is how we will express a number in the exponential form. That means number will be broken, and then we will write it in terms of power. Right? This was our second concept. Let us do the question based on this concept. how to write a number in the exponential form. So let me take one example. Just a minute, wait. Exponential form. Yes. Right. Question. Let us start with this question number 2. Write 256 in exponential form. Write 256 in exponential form. So what to do to write a number in exponential form? We'll take the LCM. सबसे पहले हम LCM लेंगे. We write the number. We have taken the LCM of the number like this. Now we will write it 256. Solution on screen. That's it. 256 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So in LCM, the same number is repeated. Which number is repeated? 2 is repeated. How many times? 8 times. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be the exponential form? 2 raised to power 8. So note down your homework part. Express 3125 in exponential form. Express 3125 in exponential form. So this is the way to write a number in the exponential form. Next question. This is the exponential form. Sometimes the question is like, express 16,000 as product of primes. Express 16,000 as product of primes. You know, when we are expressing some number in the form of the, you can say, the product of prime numbers, sometimes the student, when they take the LCM, you know, we have to take the LCM. When the students are taking the LCM, they start it with 8. 8. No, that is wrong. As the number is to be expressed in prime numbers product, so you have to take only that factor which is prime. So you will go do it with 2. 2 is a prime number. Accordingly, you will do. So we have done the prime factorization and we are getting it as 16,000. This is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 like this. So when you are counted them, you are getting 7 times 2, that is 2 raised to power 7, multiply 3 times 5. 2 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to power 3 is the answer for this. So I'm giving you one homework. Express express 1000 as product of primes. Express 1000 as product of primes. This is your homework, right? So this way you will write the number in the exponential form. Then let us do the next question. Express 729 as power of 3. Express 729 as power of 3. When you are expressing a number as the power of the another number, one thing you will keep in mind that if he says that express it as a power of 3, you will do the LCM division with 3 only. Otherwise, this number is divisible by 9 as well. But as we have to make it as a power of 3, so we will take the LCM with the 3 only. This is 729. 3. So we are getting the LCM like this. So you will be having 729 is equal to 6 times 3. This will be 3 raised to power 6. Yes, Savya, do you have any problem? You want to ask something? Savya?
यस मैम मैम जैसे ये 729 दिया तो इधर आपने बोला कि पावर ऑफ 3 है तो 3 से ही आप एलसीएम निकाल लोगे तो मैम अगर 3 की जगह कुछ और होता अगर वो 729 से डिविजिबल ना होता तो
ऐसे फिर बता ऐसे क्वेश्चन ही गलत होगा अगर मैं आपको बोलूं एक्सप्रेस 729 एज पावर ऑफ 5 इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज इट इज नॉट मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 if I told you express 729 as power of 2 that question is vague. Is it okay, Savya?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. So this is 3 raised to power 6. Next question. Look at your books at page number 251. I am discussing example number 4. Hanji Gaurish.
यस मैम मैम जो आपने 1600 वाला जो सम करवाया था और 16,000 वाला मैम उसके बाद आपने कोई होमवर्क पार्ट दिया था
हाँ ये रहा एक्सप्रेस 1000 एज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम्स
ओके मैम
फोर्थ का होमवर्क पार्ट देख लो फोर्थ का भी होमवर्क पार्ट पहले दे दूं फिर एग्जांपल डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 होमवर्क पार्ट express 343 as power of 7. Express 343 as power of 7. Look at page number 151, example number 4, sorry. Example 4, page 151. The example 251, sorry, it is 251. Example 4, page 251. Expand a cube b square a cube. Expand a cube b square a square b cube. Second is a square b cube. Third is a cube. Third is b square a cube. b b square a cube, and fourth is b cube a square. And after that, one question he is asking. First of all, let me expand it, and then I will explain about the question that he is asking me. Let us do its solution. First is a cube b square. How to expand it? It is cube, that means a will be written 3 times. B square, b will be written 2 times. First. Second, it is a square b cube. So you will write it a 2 times and b 3 times. Then the number is b square a cube. B square a cube. B will be written 2 times and a will be written 3 times. Then it is b cube a square. B cube a square. B cube a square. Then b will be written 3 times and a will be written 2 times. This is the way to expand them. We all know. And one question he is associating with it, that all are they all same? Are they all same? You see, it is a cube b square. If you see the first and the fourth, they are the same. Why so? Why they are same? Because in these two expression, powers of a and b, they are same. No doubt, उल्टी पुल्टी in the sense, यहाँ पे पहले a लिखा हुआ है, बाद में b लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे पहले b लिखा हुआ है, बाद में a लिखा हुआ है. Order is different, but power is same. हमें power देखनी होती है. So these are same as the power of a and b are same here. Is it okay? Clear hai? Those who are sitting over here. And what you can say about these two? Power of a is 2. Here power of a is 2. ठीक है? Power of a is 2. Power of b is 3. Power of b is 3. That means second is similar to fourth. Second and same are similar, and first and third. Out of them, which are same? First and third are same, and second and fourth are same. Why they are same? Because in first and third, power of a and b are same, and in second and fourth, power of a and b are same. जिसमें a and b की power same होएगी, those two will be the same one, right? Next, one remark I am telling you that can be there in 1 mark question. One remark. That is true. What remark I am going to discuss? If I multiply -1 2 times, answer is 1. If I multiply -1 4 times, answer is again 1. If I multiply -1 6 times, answer is again 1. That means 2 means odd number of times, 4 means odd number of times, even number of times, 6 is also even number of times. That means when we multiply negative sign, minus or negative sign, even number of times, answer is always क्या? 1. -1 को 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया, आंसर तब भी 1 आया. माइनस माइनस प्लस. -1 को 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया, माइनस माइनस प्लस, माइनस माइनस प्लस, आंसर इज अगेन 1. -1 is multiplied 6 times, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, answer is again 1. So here, from here you will remember one thing, that -1 raised to even power is equal to 1 always. -1 raised to even part is answer is always equal to क्या? 1. ठीक है? Is it okay? Let us do the second remark. ये आपको 1 mark के उसमें आ सकता है. Suppose I'm asking you what is -1 raised to power 1000. What will be your answer? 1. Why so? Because because 1000 is even. Hargunpreet always gives the right answer. Hargunpreet from 7th A is telling us that this answer is 1 because 1000 is an even number. ठीक है बेटे? चलिए next. Suppose I am multiplying -1 3 times. Minus minus plus plus minus minus. Answer is -1. Suppose I am multiplying -1 5 times. That is again -1. So what I conclude from here? -1 raised to power odd. This is always -1. -1 raised to power odd is always -1. That means if I'm asking you what is -1 raised to power 501, क्या आंसर आएगा? आप बताओ. राजा रो. -1 raised to power 501. -1 को 501 टाइम्स लिखेंगे. आंसर क्या होगा? सीधा बताओ. यस. Why so? Because 501 is an odd number. So आंसर सीधा -1. पेपर में आ सकता है -1 raised to power 2000. कितनी आएगा आंसर? 1. क्यों? Because 2000 is even. -1 raised to power 909. -1 because 909 is odd number. हाँ, power odd when answer is -1 always and power even then answer is 1 always. Is it okay? चलिए ये आपने याद रखना है. 1 मार्क में आ सकता है. चलिए नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट इज राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. राइट A into A, T into T into T, B into B in exponential form. Right? A into A, T into T into B into B in exponential form. हाँ जी, solution. How to write in exponential form? How many times A is appearing in the expression? कसक A कितनी बार आ रहा है? 2 times. So A raised to power 2. How many times T is appearing? 3 times. So T raised to power 3. And how many times B is appearing? So B raised to power. This is how to express the number in exponential form. This is how to express the number in exponential form. Right? चलिए next. Then we have done the simplification of certain expression. Before we did it in 2 ways. One way was when we are not using laws. Simply we are explaining, we are expressing the number, right? The another way was when we are doing it with laws. I told you that if in exam it is written with using laws, then you have to do it use law. Otherwise you can do it simply, right? For example, let us do the simplification. I will tell you side by side simply as well as laws. चलो एक दो क्वेश्चन सिंप्लीफाई के हम लेते हैं. जैसे कि 5 square into 3 cube simplified. 5 square into 3 cube. Simplify means we have to get the answer in a single number, right? How to simplify? Let us see. 5 square 3 cube. What is the meaning of 5 square? 5 will be written 2 times. What is the meaning of 3 cube? 3 will be written 3 times. This will be 25 into 27. $675. Simply simplify, we can do it like this. Next, simplify. Simplify minus 3 square into minus 5 square. Minus 3 square into minus 5 square. Yes, Parul, what do you want to ask? Parul? Parul, बेटे ask you.
आपकी वीडियो फ्रीज रही है.
Is there any problem regarding video, Gorish? No problem. Might be the lagging in the network from your side. Chaliye. So minus 3 square into 5 minus 5 square. Solution. Minus 3 square into minus 5 square. This is equals to minus 3 square means minus 3 will be written 2 times. Minus 5 square means minus 5 will be written 2 times. Right? This becomes 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. Simple, when we are doing simplification, we are just writing the numbers like as it is. Chaliye. Now we will discuss the laws of exponent and then we will do the questions based on them. So let us discuss laws of exponent. Laws of exponent. First law, you know, we did so many laws, 5 to 6 laws, and on the basis of which next exercise will be there. So let us start with the first law. Basis same, see, basis same, sign of multiplication, powers get added. Basis same, sign of multiplication is in between, then what will be the rule? Powers will get added. Next. Basis same, sign of division is there, powers will get subtracted. Powers will get subtracted. Next. One power is inside, one power is outside. One power is inside, one power is outside. Both the powers will get multiplied. Fourth law. Multiply में two numbers having the same power. Multiplying में two numbers having the same power. घर पे मिठाई का डिब्बा आता है, सारे खाते हैं कि आप अपनी गोदी में लेके बैठ जाते हैं, कहते हैं मेरा ही है, सब खा सकते हैं ना? इसी तरह से if there is a power and inside there are so many number, that power will be given to every number. That will be a raised to power m into b raised to power m. A raised to power m into b raised to power m. Next. Fifth law. A over b raised to power m. एक बंदा ऊपर है, एक नीचे है, but power will be given to both of them. A raised to power m, b raised to power m. A raised to power m into b raised to power m. So these laws of exponents, they are very important to learn to do the next exercise. And next, and I told you anything raised to 0 is always equal to 1. Anything raised to 0 is always equal to 1. If a person is saying that I am having this much money in my account, we may consider that person to be very rich. अगर एक person कहता है मेरे पास इतना money है account में, we may consider that person very rich. But if he says I am having this much money, that means इसके पास कितनी money है? Only 1. So you know, anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. Yes, Arman, what do you want to say? Arman?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटे, anything you want to convey? Your hand is raised.
मैम वो आंसर देना था.
Yes, बच्चे repeat it.
मैम वो मैंने आंसर देना था मैम पिछले क्वेश्चन का.
Okay, then afterwards you can put your hand down because it distracts me.
Okay, ma'am.
Is going to ask something. चलिए. So these are the laws of exponents. On the basis of which we'll start with the next practice questions. अच्छा, अगर आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसे आ जाए, चलो ये तो मैंने लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट लिखे. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसे आए, एक्सप्रेस a into b into b into a into a in exponential form, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Yes, Savya, give the answer.
यस मैम. मैम पहले हम ए और बी को इकट्ठा कर लेंगे,
बिल्कुल ठीक.
फिर हम
A वाले
लिखेंगे
terms
ए
को
थ्री.
इकट्ठा कर लो, शाबाश. और b वाले टर्म्स को इकट्ठा कर. This will be a cube b square. So this is all about with today's lecture. We continue tomorrow. Log in for your next period, and I am also going to log in for my next class. Take care. Bye bye.